Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Jasmy, we are trading at 0.005179, 24-hour volume, we're down 41%, and market cap, we are down 2.29%. So heading over to our chart here, we're going to kind of take a look at our previous action from yesterday going into today. We do see some setbacks for Jasmy as the price itself was consolidating in the last couple of hours. But focusing on the day so far, we do see the MACD indicator compared to yesterday's candle has decreased. We see this lighter colored histogram and these bars. So the momentum itself is slowing down. When we take a look at the comparison of our right-hand side of our KDG, it did flip from the green over to the red, signaling bearish movements in our daily time frame. Even though the RSI here is at 79%, consider that we are overbought here at the 79% and anticipating that the price is going to come down or consolidate between resistance and support areas. If we take a look at the volume profile, I'm going to squeeze over here. We can see these two nodes that are sticking out where the current price is currently at right now. If Jasmy does break through these two other price nodes at the bottom here at 5074, then Jasmy may actually come down to the next fib retracement that we can see at 4733. Now going into today, we can see that the body itself is quite promising compared to the previous action as well. However, we do want to take these two candles in consideration as they are spinning tops in exhaustion of the uptrend. It may give us a signal that the uptrend itself is going to be maxed at this level. Now let's head over to the 4-hour time frame because this is where we're going to see that consolidation take place, where we see the price itself going from resistance line here at the support line here. So yesterday's video, as we were following, we did actually see the resistance line kind of almost peaked up. I was hoping that we would come up to the 5399, but we fell short as high as the 5334 price point itself. Now, the current actions that we do see is heavy bearish signals. Again, we've got our hammer candlestick followed by our spinning top candlestick, which is this one. And keep in mind, 4-hour time frame has not been completed yet, but if it does result in another spinning top candlestick, then the price itself is going to revert down. So there is, again, two different support areas that we could see. The ultimate support here that I have is at 4933, but developments here show us a few indications in the last couple of hours as using as an area of support of 5032 here. Now, quickly heading to our indicators off to the side, the RSI is continuing to drop. You can see the spaces in between our K line and our D line itself is getting very, very narrow. So it may trigger a buying opportunity to push the price to retest this area of resistance. And our KDJ is showing in the green signal. Even though our KDJ does show in a green signal, the price it still is not confirmed it's going to come up and retest this resistance line because our STC indicator here is correcting itself. So it's fallen from 100 going into the red signal and surpassing the 75% line that we have. So anticipating the price is going to come back down, and our MACD indicator is still showing very heavy in the dark red histograms, meaning that it's in the second wave of the price decrease here. So you can see in the very first wave when our STC was in the red, following here, STC was in the red section, and we can see the gradual increase of the momentum of the MACD occurred when the price came down to these two support areas. Going into the 2-hour time frame, again, we are still seeing a lot of bearish candlesticks as the price peaked up to the area of resistance. 2-hour time frame triggered a sell opportunity on the RSI. We can see the K line dipping below the D line, and then we can see the KDJ in the red section as well. Not only that, confirmation of our STC is coming down at 46% here, and our MACD indicator looks like it's going to open up another wave of our momentum. So just be very cautious where your entry is for Jasmy today, because we are seeing a lot of signs of consolidation, if not a correction on the downside. So that's my update for Jasmy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe if you found the video insightful, but I'll see you guys next time.